Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to increase disk size on your VirtualBox. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to open your VirtualBox on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 where you have installed, and after that you just need to click on this tool button over here, tools button. So click on that. Now here you will see all your VDI, means virtual disk. So currently I have installed Ubuntu Windows 11 and Windows Server, as you can see. Now what you have to do is you just need to double click on VDI. So suppose I want to increase the server volume. So I will double click, and as you can see I'm getting this option over here. So from here you can easily increase the size, okay, and after that you just need to click on apply. Once it will done, you just need to start your virtual machine. So after start your computer, you just need to go to your my computer. So currently I'm using this server Windows Server OS. So as you can see, still it is showing 50 GB hard drive. So what you have to do is you just need to right click on your start menu, click on disk management. So same option for Windows 11 and Windows 10. After that, here you will get unallocated partition. So what you have to do is you just need to right click on unallocated partition and click on new simple volume. Now click on next, then simply click on next and finish. Once it will done, it will show you on your my computer. So I hope this tutorial will help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.